Let's talk about exploitation of cookie based manually. So I already told you we found cross-site scripting, SQLi on this website on this parameter, that is login parameter. If I'm giving, let's click on go normally, it's logged in and it's not having any error. If I'm giving a backslash here, it's giving me an error, that is warning MySQL failed. So I have to, for second step is balance the query. Yes, so balance the query. So balancing, we know what to do. We can use single quote and minus space. Sometimes what happen, it won't balance. Sometimes we have to use something like this, single quote, let's see, and you have to give x or any character, you can give this x. So why we are using this? Now let's talk about why we are using this. See, in background there may be something like this, select login equal to, maybe in single quote, we are just assuming this, okay, where there may be something else, okay, we don't care where there may be something else, what something other part of query, okay, part of query. So we don't care about that now. See, instead of login equal to the actual value, their value was this test by test. Instead of this, we are giving what, single quote. Yes, so this fixed now. Then we are giving what, and single quote x, yes, and then we are giving x. So basically this is also fixing, see this. So this is also, we are just balancing the query now. So like this, let's try this. If you will give single quote and minus plus, it's not fixing. Yes, it's just giving warning MySQL. If you are giving this and x equal to single quote x, see, now it's fixing. Now after fixing, you can execute any order by something here. Let's try order by 10. What happened? Nothing. Order by 1. So order by is not working there. There may be blind boolean, so you can try blind boolean now. How to try? And sleep for 10 seconds. Blind time based, we are trying blind time. See this, it's sleeping for 10 seconds. So this is called blind time based SQLi. So there are blind time based also. Now if you are trying for the blind boolean, you can also see 1 equal to 1. Let's see this. See, it's giving me the correct page. Now if you are giving 1 equal to 2, what happened? See this, logged in. It just logged out. See this, if you are giving 1, see this comparison, logged in. But if you are giving 1 equal to 2, it just logged in. So there is a blind boolean or blind time based also. So this way we can exploit this. Yes, I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session over there.